Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add photos on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to add photos on Google Maps, first open up your Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to add a photo on a particular location, first tap on the location at which you want to add a photo. For example, I'll be tapping over here. And when this interface appears, guys, at the bottom you can see there's the photos and details over here, and on this interface when we scroll it up there is the photos option available for us. So let's do that again. Let's tap on it, and when this interface appears, let's scroll it up and there is the photos option available for us. Tap on photos and then you'll be able to add a photo from over here where it says add a photo. Tap on add a photo over here and all of your photos on your device will be over here. But before we proceed, let's tap on the top of the screen where it says post may appear publicly with your profile name, picture or link to your profile. Post must follow Google's policies. And after reading this, guys, let's tap on OK. Now in order to proceed to add a photo to that location, choose the photo which you want to add, and after that the post button will be available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the post button at the top right and that photo will be added to as a part of that location. And I'll not be posting it, guys. You can post it directly from your account, but I'll be just showing it to you. And that being said, guys, this is how to add photos on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.